prompt repairs, fine-tunes, or tool improvements. Red teams maintain evolving attack corpora, and platform teams provide paved roads, model and prompt registries, data set and version control, eval harnesses, vector stores, and internal portals. So product teams can safely ship without reinventing the stack. Cost is a first-class constraint managed through dynamic model routing, semantic caching, max token, and rate policies, batch inference, and transparent FinOps dashboards that surface cost per successful task and quality cost latency trade-offs. Teams track a small set of outcome metrics,